very careful
qaphela
about something that questions the faithfulness of God in your life.
into ebeletha umbuzo
That's the point of the enemy.
into eyenziwa
If he can make you question what God has said,
mayekwazi ukuthi
he's already destroyed you.
useqedile ngawe
And that is why even today when we are speaking about these things,
ngakho namhlanje masikhuluma ngalezi
people will
zinto
ask, did God really say we must not stay
abantu
together?
bayabuza uNkulunkulu washo
Hayibo wena, do you not read where God said fornicators and adulterers?
awuzanga uNkulunkulu
Now God must come back
uNkulunkulu
and say by adulterers I mean
athi
people who are sleeping together before marriage. It is written. So we can't be arguing about things that are written.
asikwazi ukuphikisana ngezinto
We are arguing about, is it really a man God was talking to?
ngokuthi uNkulunkulu bekhuluma nomuntu
Is God talking to a male or a female? I can wake up and decide I'm a male.
ngiyakwazi
When
ukuvuka
scripture is clear that he created male and female,
umbhalo ucacisile ukuthi udalo wesilisa
questioning
nesifazane
what is written.
ubuza into ebhaliwe
That is the aim of the enemy.
yilokho
He
kufuna
wants you to
isisa
question what is written,
ufuna ubuze
what
lokho
God has
kubhaliwe
said.